Namaskar, myself Dr. Suprit welcomes you all in the daily weather briefing of India Meteorological Department. Today is 1st July and we'll start with today's highlight. Conditions are favorable for further advance of southwest monsoon into some more parts of Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, Punjab and some parts of Rajasthan during next 2 days. Also, as mentioned yesterday, a low pressure area likely over Northwest Bay of Bengal around 3rd July. As a result, monsoon is likely to be in active phase over central parts of the country during next 5 to 6 days. Isolated extremely heavy rainfall likely over South Gujarat region, Konkan during 1st to 5th July, then over coastal Karnataka on 1st and 2nd, and over Madhya Maharashtra during 2nd to 5th, and also over southwest Madhya Pradesh on 3rd and 4th July. Now we'll see the observed weather during past 24 hours. So extremely heavy rainfall, that is rainfall greater than or equal to 21 centimeter has been reported from Konkan, Gujarat region, and also from coastal Karnataka. Very heavy rainfall, that is 11 to 20 centimeter has been reported from Konkan, coastal Karnataka, Gujarat, Madhya Maharashtra, Gangetic West Bengal, Odisha, West Madhya Pradesh, and then heavy rainfall, that is 7 to 11 centimeter has been recorded from many or few places over Konkan, Himachal Pradesh, West Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Kerala, coastal Karnataka, and over isolated places over Uttarakhand, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, East Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Maharashtra, Saurashtra, Tamil Nadu, South Indian Karnataka, Bihar, Jharkhand, and Vidarbha. Thunderstorm accompanied with wind speed such as 40 to 60 km per hour from many parts of the country as shown in the picture. Now we'll see the in detail advance of southwest monsoon. The southwest monsoon has further advanced into some more parts of North Arabian Sea, Gujarat, entire Daman and Diu, some more parts of Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh, remaining parts of Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh and Ladakh, entire Jammu Kashmir and some parts of Haryana and Punjab today. Also, the northern limit of monsoon now passes through Porbandar, Vallabh-Vidyanagar, Shajapur, Naugaon, Mirzapur, Azamgarh, Ayodhya, Badaun, Meerut, Karnal, Gurdaspur, as shown in the picture. And condition, as mentioned earlier, conditions are also favorable for further advance of southwest monsoon into some more parts of North Arabian Sea, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, and Punjab, and some parts of Rajasthan during next 2 days. Now we'll see the synoptic system prevailing over our region. So there is a seasonal trough at mean sea level passing through Punjab to North Bay of Bengal, which is also extend up to lower tropospheric levels. Then there is a offshore trough also active over South Gujarat to Karnataka. And then there is a fresh western disturbance seen as a trough in middle tropospheric westerlies with its position around 58 degree east to the north of latitude 32 degree north. Then there is a upper air cyclonic circulation, one over central part of the Uttar Pradesh, another over Punjab and neighborhood, and another over East Bihar, and another over North Chhattisgarh and neighborhood. And there is also, as mentioned earlier and from yesterday, there is a upper air cyclonic circulation now lying over North Bay of Bengal and neighborhood, which extends up to lower to upper tropospheric levels, and under this influence, low pressure area is likely to form over Northwest Bay of Bengal and neighborhood around 3rd July 2026. Then there is also a trough running from this upper air cyclonic circulation to Northeast Arabian Sea, and then there is also an upper air cyclonic circulation over Saurashtra and neighborhood. And now the maximum temperature forecast for next 7 days. So because of active monsoon activity, these are not significant. So for next 7 days, there will be no significant change in maximum temperatures over the country. Now we'll see the sub-regional weather warning for day 1. For day 1, red warning is issued for Gujarat region, especially South Gujarat and the Konkan region, and also over coastal Karnataka, where heavy to very heavy rainfall at many places and isolated extremely heavy rainfall is likely today. That's why red warning is given. Apart from that, orange warning is issued for heavy to very heavy rainfall over Saurashtra and Kutch, also over Kerala, Madhya Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Bihar, Jharkhand, Gangetic West Bengal, and also over West Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand. All these places heavy to very heavy rainfall at isolated places, along with thunderstorm activities also likely over East India. There is a lightning probability is also there, moderate to intense lightning. That's why orange warning is issued, and the yellow warning is issued for Jammu Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh, East Uttar Pradesh, East Rajasthan, northeastern states, Sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim, also over Telangana, Marathwada, Interior Karnataka, all these places, heavy rainfall warning is issued for today. Yellow warning is issued for that, along with the thunderstorm and lightning activity over Jammu Kashmir and Punjab, Haryana, also over East Uttar Pradesh and Southern Peninsula region. All these places, along with our island region, yellow warning issued for thunderstorm activity and lightning. For day 2, the red warning continues over the west coastal region such as South Gujarat, also over Madhya Maharashtra and Konkan coast, also over coastal Karnataka, where isolated extremely rainfall is predicted. And orange warning also continues over Saurashtra and Kutch, Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, and also over Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh, where heavy to very heavy rainfall activity is likely, and heavy rainfall warning along with thunderstorm activity is given for Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, and also southern parts of the country such as Telangana, interior Karnataka, Kerala, and also over northeastern states such as Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, and Tripura, and also over Bihar and Jharkhand. All these places, yellow warning for heavy rainfall and thunderstorm activity. And over northeastern states, Assam, Meghalaya, and Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, 1 or 2 places may experience hot and heavy weather also, which may continue for the day 3 also. Day 3, red warning is extended, and now it covers not only South Gujarat, Konkan coast, and Madhya Maharashtra, but also West Madhya Pradesh, where extremely heavy rainfall is likely. Along with that, surrounding area is given orange warning for heavy to very heavy rainfall. That is for Gujarat, also over East Rajasthan, East Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, and also over Odisha and Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh. All these places, heavy to very heavy rainfall warning. The lightning and thunderstorm and along with heavy rainfall warning is continuing over Jammu Kashmir, also Punjab, Haryana, and Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Sub-Himalayan West Bengal, and also over many parts of the most part of the southern peninsula region, and also over our island region. And heavy to very heavy rainfall warning is given for Assam, Meghalaya, and Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram for day 3. For day 4, the red warning continues over Gujarat region, West Madhya Pradesh, Madhya Maharashtra, and Konkan and Goa coast. And orange warning continues over Gujarat, East Rajasthan, East Madhya Pradesh, and also over coastal Karnataka, over East India, Odisha, and Bihar. Orange warning for heavy to very heavy rainfall. Bihar thunderstorm lightning warning is also given. Over our western region such as Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, heavy rainfall warning along with thunderstorm activity is also given. Jammu Kashmir also thunderstorm lightning activity, yellow warning is issued. And over Rajasthan, dust storm, thunderstorm warning and lightning warning is also given for day 4 and day 5. For day 5, red warning is given only for Gujarat and Madhya Maharashtra and coastal Karnataka and also Konkan and Goa coast. Red warning for that, and orange warning is given for Saurashtra and Madhya Pradesh and also over south interior Karnataka, along with Odisha and Gangetic West Bengal, and also over Himachal Pradesh. All these places heavy to very heavy rainfall in all 2 places, along with thunderstorm lightning activity is likely to continue. And the rest of the most of the western part, thunderstorm lightning warning is given. Heavy rainfall warning is given for Haryana, also for East Rajasthan, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Gangetic West Bengal, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, coastal Andhra Pradesh, north and south interior Karnataka, and Kerala. So all these places yellow warning is given for heavy rainfall activity. And over South India, strong surface wind is also likely 40 to 50 km per hour speed. So day 4 or 5 yellow warning is given for that also. For day 6 and day 7, there is a possibility of extremely heavy rainfall over coastal Karnataka. For now, it is orange warning is given. Apart from that, heavy to very heavy rainfall also likely over west coast of India, West India, especially Gujarat and East Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, also over East India such as Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Jharkhand, East Uttar Pradesh, and also over Punjab, Haryana, and Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand. All these places yellow warning is given. That will continue over for day 7 also. thunderstorm warning is given specifically for thunderstorm lightning warning is given for Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, Haryana, and also over Jharkhand and Andaman and Nicobar Islands, along with Telangana for day 6 and day 7. That's all for today's update. Thank you for watching. Namaskar. Jai Hind.